Well, it wasn't much of a surprise that the lower end of the market in Steamboat would do well for October. The question really was just by how much. This is John James with the James team at RE/MAX Partners, coming to you with the first price segment, Steamboat Market Update, and this one for the price segment between $250,000 and $750,000. And like I said, yeah, we knew it was going to be doing pretty well. And let's get to the numbers to kind of see how well it did. Starting with the median sold price. From $425,000 last year to $447,500. So a good increase of year over year to, that's a 5.3% increase. Pretty good. Not spectacular, but that's okay. We don't need it to be. Number of sales was up in double digits, however. Went from 510 to 585, so that's a 14.7% jump. And the sales volume, that was up 17.7%. That went from about a little over 233 million to 274,735,383. Pretty good number so far. And again, it's a pretty wide range. It's $500,000 difference range in this price segment. But yeah, this area did pretty well. When it comes to inventory, we're seeing the same thing that we've been seeing over and over again. Days on market, that's down from 35 days to 32. That's an 8.6% drop. Month supply, that is really low. They went from 4 months for all of that inventory to be sold now to 2.5 months. That is down 37.5%. So we're looking to see not a whole lot of inventory, and you can definitely tell from the number of active listings. We went from 173 active listings in October of 2019 all the way down to 107. That's a 38.2% decrease. And new listings didn't help much either. It went from 674 last year to 627, so that's down 7%. So not as many of the new listings are coming in on that lower end of the market. What about value? The sales to list price ratio is a little bit better. So if you listed your house in that price range, you sold it for 98.2% of that list price, which is 0.4% higher than the 97.8% same time last year. So that's pretty good. And then also the price reductions, as we've been seeing, there's not very many days on market, so there's not very many opportunities to have price reductions. They went from 44 price reductions in October of last year all the way down to 12. So that's a 72.7% decrease. Finally, we're getting into the future indicators. So what are we expecting to see for November? More of the same. 608 pending listings last year in October. This year, it's up to 665. That's 9.4% over what it was last year. And the back on markets, this one actually this one dropped a little bit. I've been expecting to see more and more of those increases. I went from 21 contracts that fell through last year, all the way down to 19. Well, it's only a drop of 2, but that's a 9.5% change. That's one where I've been seeing those go up and up and up. So I think maybe now that the buyers are settling in to the market and agreeing to what they agreed to purchase. So that's what we've seen for that lower end of the market. The next up is going to be the middle part, the 750,000 all the way up to 2 million. And then we'll wrap things up on the price segment with the luxury market, 2 million and up. If you have questions, as always, please give me a call, 970-846-0797. Text me. Leave a comment in the video or email me at johnjames@jamesteamsteamboat.com. We'll look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.